So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Hytale joining friends not working and how to play Hytale with your friend in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is go over to your Google or any browser you like and then search for Hamachi. Once you do this, just click on vpn.net Hamachi by Logmail and then click on download now. Once you do this, you have to install it like any other software you install on your PC, and once you completely install this, it will look like this. You just have to click on this power button and then it will ask you to log in your account. Just log in and then create a network. Just enter your network ID and then make sure you enter a easy password so that you and your friend both can remember it easily. Once you do this, just click on create and it will create a private network, and then you have to share these credentials to your friend and he will do the same. Install Hamachi in his PC or laptop or any device and then enter these credentials and he will be able to join your server. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.